Get your Certified Patriot Trump Badge with a unique serial number. With 80% off. 5 Certified Patriot Trump Badges for $99 each, full price $495 plus free shipping and handling. 3 Certified Patriot Trump Badges for $119 each, full price $357 plus free shipping and handling. 1 Certified Patriot Trump Badge for $149 only plus free shipping and handling. Grab the deal below with 80% off. Play. Grab the deal below with 80% off. Donald Trump. Lieu of success and patriotism. Now is the time to commemorate his legacy. Every badge has a serial number carved on the back, making each badge unique to itself. 5x Certified Patriot Trump Badges. $2,499. Now $99 each. Full price, $495. Buy now. Plus free shipping and handling. 3x Certified Patriot Trump Badges. $1,799. Now $119 each. Full price, $357. Buy now. Plus free shipping and handling. 1x Certified Patriot Trump Badge. $749. Now $149 only. Buy now. Plus free shipping and handling. It makes the perfect gift for patriots who support Donald Trump. An excellent collectible item to honor President Trump's legendary legacy. If you're seeking a gift that will be adored by everyone, then this is it. Indulge yourself in complete security, as these Certified Patriot Trump Badge hold a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, if you're unsatisfied, you'll get a complete refund right away. Exceptional Certified Patriot Trump Badge with unique serial number engraved. In no way should it be viewed as an investment opportunity. This badge is sold exclusively here and can't be bought anywhere else. This product comes with a velvet box to keep it safe. Guarantee. From Patriots. For Patriots. That's right, we're here for you. We're not going to deceive you with false promises or over-the-top advertising. We're honest-hearted about our cause. We truly believe that when you buy this product, you'll get more than just a badge. You'll get the whole package: active customer service support, quality packaging, and a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right, if within 60 days after your purchase, not including weekends or holidays, you aren't 100% satisfied with your order for any reason, no matter how small, just send it back and we'll refund your entire order price. No questions asked. You are the chosen one. Get yours now. Plus free shipping and handling. Frequently asked questions. When will I receive notification of my shipment? As soon as we receive the order, you will receive a notification of the shipment. Shipping usually takes 5 to 7 business days. Please note, we currently handle too many shipments, so your order might take up to 3 weeks. Is it free shipping? Yes, we provide free shipping and handling on all the orders. Once you place the order, our team in Colorado will handle your products within 5 to 7 business days. Please note, we currently handle too many shipments, so your order might take up to 3 weeks. Can I get support when the product is defective? Please feel free to email us at contact@trumpbadship.com and our team will resolve any issue. What type of shipping method do you use? USPS, and before that you will receive an email with the parcel details. For return package, the address is 19655 East 35th Drive, Suite 100, Aurora, Colorado, 80011 United States. Continuing President Trump's legacy. Get yours now. Limited edition plus free shipping and handling.